Hi. Got the hiccups? Say hi. Say hi, Coop. Say today I'm 2 months old and I went to the doctor and I got my shots. Come on. Say hi. Say I'm 13 pounds and I'm 25 inches long. Long boy. Say hello. Yeah. You talking to him? Tell him you're laying on your surfboard. You laying on your little surfboard? Your little pillow surfboard? What's up? Got the hiccups? That's no fun. Say hi. Say love you. Wow. You got lots to say. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.